Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, good evening. Presence of great men at a great occasion has always great values. This sacred gatherings feels proud over the presence of eminent scholar, loyalist, architect and educationist. Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Dinesh Singh Babbu, Deputy Speaker Punjab Legislative Assembly. Guest of Honor, Mr. Satant Kumar Murgai, former Vice Chancellor of Gurukul Kangra University. Chairperson, Mrs. Sonu Mahajan. Vice Chairperson, Mr. Akshay Mahajan. Respected Mr. Mohit Mahajan. Director A&M, Mrs. Renuka Mahajan, Director Mrs. Pooja Ohri, illustrious parents, distinguished guests, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. On this auspicious occasion of the annual function, A Spectrum, The Color of Life 2014, I, on behalf of the GCIS family, extend my heartiest welcome and greetings to all of you. It is a matter of great privilege and pride for us that you consented us to be a part of this great festive Spectrum 2014. Of course, gratitude is a twofold love, love coming to visit us and love running out to welcome our guest. We are fortunate to have the chief guest, Mr. Dinesh Singh Babbu, and the guest of honor, Mr. Satant Kumar Murgai. Sir, you are the real gems of modern India. Your waning presence will encourage us to move on right path in our life. मैं BHU से हूँ, तो हाँ गुरु जी की प्रथा होती है, तो मैं प्रणाम करना चाहूँगा सर, और आपके आशीर्वाद से मैं आगे बढ़ना चाहूँगा. Sir, as it is customary for the school to read out the annual report, I, with your kind permission, would like to highlight some of our achievement and development of the session 2014-15. A journey towards known to unknown world is the essence of education. A journey started for the cause of imparting quality education in Pathankot. Pathankot is mini cosmopolitan city. It is a challenge to feel and fulfill the need of different individuals at one platform. People from different caste, creed and religion stay at Pathankot. However, March 20, 2012 saw a new horizon in the field of education when James Cambridge International School Pathankot spread its wing with 54 students. The school signed an MOU on 12 December 2011 with James Education India, the world's largest network of schools. We are indeed grateful to Honorable Chairperson Mrs. Sonu Mahajan, whose minute observation and concrete assessment help us to provide quality education for iPhone and WhatsApp inbuilt 21st century kids. Her vision is to develop a child into an integrated human being, help us to introspect and work hard to achieve the goal. Credit goes to our visionary Vice Chairperson, Mr. Akshay Mahajan. Determination, hard work, passion and vision to develop this school as center of excellence, where each child gets quality education, exposure and learns life skill today for leading tomorrow. He firmly believes that nobody is inferior and nobody is superior. One is just oneself, incomparable. What the school is today is all because of his outstanding management skills, caring nature, and his keen interest in day-to-day activities of the school. He is inspiring and assisting. I would like to give a big round of applause for our Vice Chairperson, Mr. Akshay Mahajan. This is formal reading, but I would like to say, your child is in your safe hand. Mr. Akshay Mahajan, he is Vice Chairperson, but आप believe नहीं करोगे कि 3:30 बजे तक वो वहाँ पे खड़े रहते हैं और जब तक 1 बजे एक बच्चा यहाँ से हमारे स्कूल के गेट से बाहर नहीं चला जाता है तब तक वो यहाँ पे खड़े रहते हैं. You will never ever feel. This is just one example of dedication of Mr. Akshay Mahajan. We believe in providing quality education to share young Indian bright future. This challenging task is being fulfilled by our well-trained, highly qualified and well-versed teacher. We work round the clock to fulfill dream of a guardian, a society and of an integrated India. Indian national poet Ramdhari Singh Dinkar says, मानव जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी हो जाता है. Our young GCIS students have been proving their worth in different areas. They are goal-oriented and self-disciplined. These qualities reflect in their academic performance. Business Hub Dubai felt our educational excellence when GCIS Pathankot girl Bansika Gupta received Sheikh Fatima Award from respective Sheikha in Dubai. Please give a big round of applause for Miss Bansika Gupta. It is the highest award to a child for overall academic excellence and extraordinary performance. She was among 31 girls from 125 worldwide schools. So once again I request you to give a big round of applause for Miss Bansika. आपकी ताली हमें इनकरेज करती है अच्छा करने के लिए. Award can give us a tremendous amount of encouragement to keep getting better, no matter how young or old you are. Our young little champion, Samarth from class 3rd, secured gold medal in an inter-school roller skating competition. Give a big round of applause for Samarth. He proved that a strong willpower, practice, learning, relearning can bring massive difference. Hiteska of grade 3rd is a roller skating queen of our school. She always performed well and she secured first position in shoe skates. Please give a round of applause for Hitesika. Akshara of grade 7 secured 3rd position in an inter-school roller skating. Once again I request you to give a big round of applause for Akshara also. बीच में रोक के मैं कहता हूं ताली किस लिए बजाया जाता है? ताली बजाया जाता है इंकरेजमेंट के लिए और अगर ऐसी ठंडी हो गुनगुना तो गर्मी पाने के लिए. So please give a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Vince Lombardi once said that the spirit, the will to win and the will to excel are the things that endure. Nabya Arora, a brilliant dancer who enjoyed each step of dance, secured first position in an inter-school dance competition organized by Lions Club Pathankot. So, एक ताली बनती है. A school management is keen to instill a sense of duty and responsibility among students so that they will gradually learn the pros and cons of life and even tackle the worst and the best moment of life. Based on several round selection procedures, the school selected its head boy, Mr. Susan, and head girl Miss Bansika Gupta, it was fortunate moment for GCI's family to have a youth icon of 1980s, Mr. Vinod Khanna, MP Pathankot, on our investor ceremony. So एक ताली बनती है head boy Mr. Sushant and head girl Miss Bansika Gupta के लिए. Thank you. Beauty lies in the eyes of beholder, but talent, critical thinking, creative thinking are the qualities of an individual. So we guide our students to come out from their hard shell of hesitation. Stuti, Ganesh, Navtej, Athar, Rayan, Vikrant and Divyans secured first position in his or her respective house in best out of best competition held at school. एक ताली फिर से. Thank you so much for your support. Extemporary debate, quiz, rangoli making, music, acting, sports and many more activities are organized in the campus to boost up confidence among our students. In fact, activity is a core part of our academic achievement. Raghav, Tanvi, Jagmohan, Manya, Priyanshu, Nitya, Ansita, Pritam possess aesthetic sense and have shown their creativity in drawing competition at a school level. So बैठ क्यों? एक ताली इन सब बच्चों के लिए. Here it is worth enough to quote Francis Bacon, one of the best essayists. Reading makes a man a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. So we focus on good handwriting, oratory skill, and organize several writing competition and a speech competition at our school to promote creative writing and oratory skill at the school, to enrich the knowledge of the subject of the teachers and expose them to the new techniques of teaching learning process. Our school organized workshops, seminars to update and sharpen teachers' knowledge. Our brilliant teacher, Mrs. Monu Gupta, received the Best Science Teacher Award among several science teachers. एक ताली तो बनती है. It is my privilege to tell you something about my school. A&M GCIS Pathankot has the best infrastructure to create homely and comfortable environment to provide enough practice for our students so that they can correlate theory with practice. Our focus is make them to explore the known and unknown world. Equipped with modern facilities, digital classroom and resource center, language lab, developed in 7-acre futuristic and eco-friendly campus, day boarding system, endowed with a large playground, create a positive aura for sophisticated kids. We provide exposure and opportunity to excel in education, a small classroom with 125 teacher-student ratio, fostering learning environment for developing a unique individual and an incomparable personality. Teaching is one part, assessment is another part. We evaluate our learners on the basis of day-to-day observation, from bus stop to classroom and from dining table to playground. Moreover, A&M GCIS provides excellent global standard of education in safe, supportive and sympathetic environment. To organize this annual function, our sole aim is to provide exposure for 400 students on the stage. It is an effort to instill positive attitude, remove a stage fear, remove hesitation to face public, and nurture the individual talent. Little Champion started a journey from known to unknown world. This spectrum will bring magical colors in our students' life. Kindly bless them for their bright future. आप लोगों से मेरी सादर निवेदन है कि आप हमारे बच्चों को आशीर्वाद दें. This is first annual function for them. They may be commit some mistakes, but आपका आशीर्वाद उन्हें बूस्टअप करेगा कि वो आगे साल अच्छा करें. यस, ये एडवांस में बुकिंग कर रहा हूं मैं आपकी ताले. इतनी बातें कहने का जो मेरा मेन पर्पस है और जो दुष्यंत कुमार की पंक्ति में आपको बताना चाहूंगा, आपसे शेयर करना चाहूंगा कि सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. ये ऐसी पंक्ति है कि कहीं भी हो बोली जाती है. और फिर से मैं कह रहा हूं कि ये जो एनुअल फंक्शन जो हमने किया है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही मकसद है कि जो हमारे बच्चे हैं अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड से आए हुए हैं, हर किसी बच्चे को उतना एक्सपोजर नहीं मिल पाता है जितना उसकी जरूरत होती है. ये बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है उनको जहां पे वो अपने टैलेंट को एक्सपोज कर सके. I am indeed grateful to the management, teaching and administrative staff, the teammates and the many hands in the store, security and the mess who do their work devotedly. I also like to pay my gratitude to the GOVT officials and press reporter for their direct and indirect contribution in the development of the school. Last but not least, I would like to say, working hard in right direction with the help of right guidance and counseling can lead a person to achieve the goal. It needs a great courage, confidence and zeal to live up a dream. So let's dream together to achieve great heights of success. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much.